As an admin or owner, you can create communities. And then when you create tasks, it's a requirement that each task has to have a community associated with it. This will determine who can see what tasks. Let's get started here. So if I navigate to the admin page and I click on users, you can see that Amanda Brown has access to several communities. If I click on the user profile, I can add or remove any communities I'd like here, and I can save that. You have the power to create more communities or remove any communities by navigating down to the task config section, clicking on community, and clicking on add new. When you go to the baseline section and you create a new task by clicking add baseline task, you can see here that you're required to give a task name, baseline job title, department, and then community. Here in this dropdown, you'll see all the communities you've created on that other page. When I choose property level community, only users who have a property level user community in their user profile will see this task. So you can have a baseline with 100 tasks, 70 of them can be for property level users, and the remaining 30 can be for corporate level users. That way, a corporate person would have access to both of these communities to see all 100 tasks, where a property level individual would only have access to the property level tasks and they can only see 70. You can name these communities whatever you'd like. The most common are property level, corporate, and vendor. However, you can create them as you see fit. A lot of customers do it like this. Some customers created communities saying, hey, you know what? We use Pacer for openings and transitions, so I want to make a community called openings and transitions. When human resources and IT and food and beverage all want to do their projects, we can create communities for each of those departments so that they can run their projects in the same subscription, but keeping the projects completely separate so I only see what community I have access to.